So we're here in Berlin for IFA. We're on the show floor visiting with Nanoleaf, who you may remember from their original lighting system stroke art installation called Aurora, which is these triangular panels, and you can stick them together in whatever pattern you want. Well, they've got a new product this year, and this is the Nanoleaf canvas. And you have square panels that you can slot together any way you like. The individual panels are really light. You can stick them to the wall or the ceiling with adhesive, and they've created the little connector units to be offset, so instead of just having a grid pattern, you can also offset them like this and create whatever shape you want. Now, another cool thing they've added, if you've seen the original panels, is touch now, so you can touch the panel and you can see the ripple effects across the rest of the panels. You can also change scenes by swiping. Which will change to different lighting settings. Now, usually you do this on the app. There's an Android and an iPhone app you can use. You can pick different scenes. You can have a block color. If you like, you can change the brightness. You can set different patterns to go. And you can also use something called the rhythm module, which enables the panels to react to the music that's playing, so they'll kind of show color in time to the music. Now, if you remember, if you had the old triangular panels, you'll know that you had to have a little control unit and a separate rhythm unit that plugged in. This is all contained in the command block now, so there's a single block in the first pack you get. You get 9 in your initial pack for $200, and you can add an extra 4 for another $60. And we think it's fantastic. It's actually capable of controlling up to 500 panels as well. So you could fill an entire wall with this if you wanted to. So that's the Nanoleaf canvas.